First project of the day was here in just before you go over the Perdido Key Bridge in Pensacola on the Perdido Bay Golf Course. I do that property twice a year. I do the back porch surrounding the pool, kind of gathers some light organics every 6 months. I go over and just give it a quick soft wash and rinse. It's her birthday this coming week, and she's hosting her birthday bash with her 4 sisters that are coming to town, so they wanted things looking good. Shout out mom and shout out all 4 of my aunts. Look forward to seeing you guys. Headed now to the northeast side of town where I live. I've got one other project, another pool patio to do. It's a paver patio that we're going to be cleaning. It's got some organic growth on it, so I'll pick up the video once we get over there. Good day today. Job number 2 went excellent. She was thrilled with the results. We did add a little bit of an upsell on that second job. It was a $250 patio cleaning. So the pavers were pretty dirty. She said it had been a few years since they were done. They came out great. She was thrilled with those. And then she did add the walls of the brick were pretty dirty, the first foot of the walls all along the house, plus the furniture all got a good rinsing and cleaning, and then cleaning then rinsing. All the pillows on the furniture all got cleaned, and she was thrilled with that. So that was a $100 upsell for those 2 things. So total was $350 on the second job. And then she threw in a $35 tip. I guess nobody in her family was interested in eating these potatoes, so she threw in this 5-pound bag of potatoes, along with, she lived on a golf course, and she said, "Hey, do you golf?" And I said, "Yes." And she said, please, by all means, take as many golf balls as you want. So I fished through and took all the golf balls that I wanted out of there. So got tipped in potatoes and golf balls today. That's a first for sure. All right, take care.